How to create Facebook ads campaign. You want to go into your Facebook ads manager and then highlight campaigns tab. Then click on create. In this case, we're going to go for traffic as an objective and then scroll down and click continue. Actually, before we do that, on that first page, there's a campaign name. So we're going to call this campaign, this name, and then click continue. We're going to give a new ad set a name. I'll name it exactly the same. I will choose audience. You can create a new audience where you can specify the age, the distance from your business, and many other different options. I will use a saved audience that I've got from before. Facebook gives you estimated daily results here on the right hand side. I'm going to leave the placements, automatic placements recommended. I'll have the budget and schedule as optimization for ad delivery. I'll have it as linked clicks. I'll have the daily budget for $315 and I'll have it set to start now, today, and end on the 25th of June. So anyway, it's going to run for about 19 days. And that'll set us back nearly $6,000. So 19 days from today and $6,000 projected ad spend. We then click on continue. In this case, I'll have it as carousel with multiple photos. I'll choose that as a format for my ad. Note how you can use existing posts that you would have posted in your business Facebook page. I will then paste the text of my ad. And then, in my opinion, the biggest piece in every ad will be the creative. So it'll be videos and or images. In our case, I'll want at least 2 images in a carousel. Facebook recommends image specifications as 1080 by 1080, so it's ratio 1:1. I then upload image 1, upload images, go to my downloads folder. I have my image that is 1080 by 1080 pixels, as you can see. Open. I'll upload the second image, ultimate. Open. Now I have both of my images there, classic and ultimate, both 1080 by 1080 pixels. So I'll select classic first and say open. Okay, so classic first and then continue. We have the classic there. See how that's got 1. If I want to upload the second image, I click on 2 and then say select image. And then we're going for ultimate and then continue. We see that the ultimate is there as well. Okay, so we have the text, we have a couple of images, and then we'll give it a headline. Headline will be placed in the ad somewhere around there. Note how every image has a different options. The first image, you can give it a headline, Actron Air ducted air conditioning promotion, and the destination URL. For the second image, which is that one there, you can also stay warm this winter and save. Also optionally, you can put a description and destination URL. Something very important to note is that this informational message there, your ads reach may be lower. You may reach fewer people because there's too much text in the ad image. Facebook prefers ad images with little or no text. Consider changing your image before placing your order. get guidance on reducing image text. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, and go back and submit it again. Okay, so I've edited my images to cut out some of the text. Hopefully that helps. So we're back at the first image, and I'll say change image. Then I'll say upload the image. So I've got a new image called Classic 2. Open. I'll upload the other one, the new one, Ultimate 2. Open. Okay, so because I want the first one to be classic, so I'll select Classic 2. Continue. That's my first image, as you can see there. Then I'll go on to the second image and say change image. Select Ultimate 2. Continue. It's Ultimate 2 now. We now scroll down to see if there are any warnings. And there are no warnings, as you can see at the bottom where that warning used to be, it says confirm. So that's the last step we need to do, to say confirm, to submit the new campaign, which is then to go to Facebook team to be approved, which normally takes anywhere from 10 minutes to 20-30 minutes, not longer normally. Note that this carousel is going to have 1-2 images, so 2 images in this case or more, depending on what you want. And then the third tile of that carousel will have a see more URL. And then you can place either the same URL that you placed for the first and second image, or advisably and preferably you can do a different one, say from a specific product page that you advertise in the first and second and whatever other images, and then you can direct your visitors to maybe a specials page or something that's similar to what this ad is all about. And since we have no warnings after reducing the text on the images, we'll say confirm. Confirming your items. And finally, it takes you to the list of your campaigns. I've got more than one campaign here. The one that we just created is in review as opposed to active like the others. This one's in review, and I'll get an email when it gets approved. Like I said, it doesn't normally take more than half an hour. Thank you for watching, and take care.